welcome back to, ow! That didn't hurt, but I don't like that. Welcome back to another video. We're gonna do another unboxing video today. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but yeah. And at random times, this kid's gonna be shooting me. You freaking back. Where do you put the freaking scissors? Right? Friendly here.
Why you always lying?
Can you guess what it is from here? Probably not. Ow! You went right in my butt cheek, dude. Ow! God. No, not the head. Stop.
I was aiming for your phone, but
Don't shoot my phone. It's already freaking cracked.
that's not even a bad crack. I don't even want to hear that.
Bad crack is your butt crack.
Hear that?
What?
I said true.
Okay.
Whoa,
Got
get
that
her.
open.
Get her. It can multi-attach.
And then we have this. You probably know what it is from here now, so comment down below what it is. Ow!
That's the last time.
Oh!
Does that one hurt?
Yeah, that stung like a butt cheek with a stick. Oh. I said it in my earlier video that was like 5 hours ago. Oh my god. I mean, my gosh. I dropped it. Ooh, that freaking hurts. Like, so bad. And like, it doesn't
Try here,
hurt.
shoot me again.
Huh?
Try here, shoot me again.
No, I didn't say that. Give them a rope, I said that. Right now I'm just cutting the box. Because, why not? Okay.
Oh, kid, why don't you have good content?
Good content. I just had some good content. You shooting me in my butt crack.
I don't know if that's considered good content.
Damn it.
Why did that scare me?
So this is this. I don't know what to do from here. Got scared. Do I cut this? Did I cut this, dude? Oh yeah, it does. Stupid. Oh well, there goes this. It says, even says GoPro, dude. Even says GoPro. Or I can tighten it and loosen it as well. So I can be like filming on my bike or something. And then there's just this piece, I think. Then there's this piece so I can clip whatever I want to.
Even your butthole?
Yeah, even my butthole. Look, I can clip this.
When you get this in my butthole.
Gotta stop. This is family friendly, bro. Ouch.
Shit.
Shut up.
It hurt.
This is going on my channel, dude. Look, so I can post this. Like, put this like this. Have the camera going. Ow.
Fart liquor.
Okay, the final thing. I know what it is.
Fart liquor.
A camera. If you don't shut up with that fart liquor bull crap. God. I'm not gonna do stuff like this in your video.
No, I'm sorry, Kevin.
Okay, I don't even know how to open this. I'm just gonna cut it. You need to cut it.
Insights.
No, stop. I'm just cutting it right now.
Did it even load it? Doink.
Okay, I'm just gonna cut it down the side now. I'm not efficient with this stuff, so. This cost it $50. I had $100.
It costs more than your mom.
No, my mom cost $1 million to me. Bro, it comes in a case. It comes in a case. I can open it.
That's why it's waterproof, buddy.
Oh, baby, look at that. I don't know why I just said, oh, baby, look at that. That's kind of... So that's the camera. That's cool. It has this little bubble stuff, but you're not gonna worry about
That
that.
hurt.
And then we just have some other stuff in here that I'm just gonna cut out real quick. Okay, just cut that out. I'm actually gonna scoot you guys back a little bit here. Don't tell me this came with the mount. So there's this, a watch. Let's go. There's a watch in this joint, bro. Where are you throwing stuff at me, bro? There's a watch that comes with this. That's amazing.
Are you prepared?
No, I'm not. Please don't shoot me.
Too late.
Don't.
I said too late.
Bro, do not shoot me with the rifle.
Why not?
Because it's gonna sting like a butt cheek on a stick.
What? Enough for what? Darian's just being Darian and
He's
complaining.
abusing me.
Shut up, Darian.
Yo, this is cool. I can take pictures with it. I can turn it on. I can film video. Dude, show me at this. Take pictures, turn it on, film video. Oh gosh, you're using the first one. Dang, chill.
We're not even arguing.
Come on, film. Come on. And like she just comes in. God dang it. Ouch. Oh, thank you.
Get back in there, you boss.
So, yeah, you can take pictures, turn it on, and record videos. That's
Not be family friendly.
legit.
This channel is not family friendly no more.
I can hook it up to here and, like,
Be not family friendly.
attach it. That's cool.
Ow.
Ah! And I'll just have more attachment pieces, which don't matter to me, bro. Does this
I like
fit?
that you're broken like look.
I mean, oh, this fits
Where's your rifle, Darian?
right in there, huh?
Not in here.
Well, guys, that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoy. Like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. Do not shoot me.